have been stuck at home in the city for over a month, ever since getting back from the week-long trip with Jason out through the Oregon backcountry. I wanted to get out into the snow and just for a little solo snow camping trip out by myself, and Lucie caught wind of it.
Yeah. School kind of sucks, so I was like, let's go snow camping.
But she's never snow camped, so this will be a first for her. We're driving through the burn area right now, and I was telling Lucie there's this spot where the vinyl fencing actually just melted from the heat. It didn't burn, but it melted.
Justin Herbert is still a hottie.
Justin Herbert was the star quarterback for the University of Oregon Ducks football team. He's now moved on to quarterbacking for the Chargers.
Was Chargers. And,
sure, none of this is going to make it into a video.
This is better.
How come when we chillin', everything will feel the same? Feel the same. I just gotta know. How come when I pull up, I'm like, here we go again. Go again. That's why I just gotta know why we ain't been different. Why I feel the same every time we kick it. We just can't get with it. Ain't no fixing. Here we go again with another lie that's told in vain. Avoid the pain, even though we need to say goodbye.
Okay, so we went over the pass and we're now down in the area where we're expecting to have a campsite.
Which is still pretty high elevation.
But there is hardly any snow and it's just like dusting. Like no snow. And it's kind of like, you know, if we're gonna go snow camping and be in the cold, we want it to be all snowy.
It's really astonishing because on the other side of the pass, there was a ton of snow, really at fairly low elevations, and up near the top, there was huge amounts of snow. And we're not that far from we haven't dropped much elevation at all off the pass. And there is just nothing. The mountains have just blocked the snow. Obviously, it all dumped on the west side of the mountains. And there is nothing out here. I thought this was gonna be all, I was actually concerned that there would be more snow than I wanted to get through by myself, but there's nothing here. We may have to drive back higher up into the mountains. So we're at a spot where it looked to me on satellite pictures like there would be a campsite, and there's even a table, fire ring, and it's right on a creek like I thought it would be. I mean, it's right on a creek. This is a wonderful little spot. But there's just hardly any snow. This is not quite what we had in mind, huh? So that's a pretty nice campsite, but we're gonna push up into some higher elevation and see if we can find something with a little more snow. We're kind of hoping also to camp next to water. So I have another idea for an area where we might be able to find a creekside campsite that's at a little higher elevation. So we'll see what we find. We gained some elevation and saw a little campsite that looked like it was going to go down by the creek. And it was actually a nice, a big campsite, but it wasn't really very close to the creek. So we're going to keep pushing, but we're already into more snow. It's already feeling a little bit more like snow camping. So as usual, things already not going according to plan. I had scouted on satellite photos a bunch of cool spots that were along creeks or rivers, and I just assumed there were going to be inches of snow. All my research is right out the window, and we're having to improvise. Looks good to me. We got a campfire pit already.
Yeah.
All right, let's set up camp. Lucie was all, oh, can I come? Can I come? So Lucie is here, but she wouldn't actually know it. She's holed up in the tent with her buddy, Mr. Heater Buddy.
Shut up! I was about to come out. Oh my gosh.
All right. In Lucie's defense, she does not have a good pair of wool socks. And I think that would make all the difference. So, guess what Lucie's getting for Christmas? Socks! Ladies and gentlemen, there she is! I know a lot of people like to get the Mountain House meals for a quick, easy camp dinner, and I like to do quick, easy camp dinners too sometimes, especially when it's cold and I don't want to stand out here doing a bunch of prep work. But what I found is you can pick up one of these stir-fry kits from Trader Joe's. This was $4.99, and it's meat and vegetables plenty for both Lucie and I to eat. Whereas those Mountain House meals are, I think they're anywhere from like $8 to $10 a piece. So that's, you know, that's an option for a quick, easy camp meal on a budget.
Starkiller Base was the big planet from the First Order, the weapon, you know. That was basically a very big Death Star, except on a planet. Remember, the planet was snow.
Oh, that's right, because there was that, like, the big battle between Rey and
Kylo Ren.
what's his face? It was in the snow.
Kylo Ren.
Kylo Ren.
Bam. I'm a Star Wars geek.
Morning. A little while after we went to bed last night, we heard it start to rain, even though it was well below freezing. But you can see it was actually freezing rain last night. The car is coated in ice and icicles. And then at some point it started to snow. We got a little more than 2 inches of new snow this morning. But at least it didn't get any colder thanks to the clouds and the precipitation. It's 29 degrees this morning, so could be worse. car is completely covered with snow. The Jackery didn't have to do much last night to keep the fridge running, but it's a good thing we've got it this morning because in the cold, everything dies much, much faster. My GoPro battery was already dead, my iPad was dead, and Lucie ran the battery of the hand warmer all the way down last night. So, getting things charged back up. All right, we got a fire going and some shelter to protect us from the snow. Let me get some breakfast going here. I brought some cheese, some bacon, hash browns, some eggs. Good classic camp breakfast. Well, I pretty much got camp broken down. Lucie's over there making a snowman. It's mid-December, and we do have one more item on our agenda for this trip. We have a National Forest permit to harvest a Christmas tree, so we're going to poke around a bit and see if we can find something. Ideally, we'd be looking at higher elevation where there are better tree varieties and where they tend to have their growth dwarfed by harsher conditions. It just seems to result in nicer looking trees. Out here we're mostly finding gangly young Douglas fir and ponderosa pine, neither of which is very well suited to stringing up lights and ornaments. We're seeing the occasional grand fir, which could be a fine choice, but none that quite fit the bill. Ultimately, snagging a tree is a low priority, and after hiking around a few different areas with no luck, we're gonna let it go. So out of curiosity, we came back down to the first campsite that we found yesterday, just to see if it got snow or not. And it did. It got a little snow, but still not a bad spot.
It would be really cute in summer.
Yeah.
Nice spot to cool off.
All right, we're just about back to the highway. So ultimately we did find some snow after all. What did you think about camping in the snow?
You know, it's really, really cold, but it was super beautiful and totally worth it.
All right, well, time to air up and head home. Well, that turned out to be a successful little fun.
Okay, so we went over the pass and we're now on the other side of the pass.
So time to air up.
Wait, we already did that.
Did I say? Did I?
Yeah.
Okay, did I save it for the end?
No, you said it's time to air up. What? We already did that. No, we already aired up.
Well, they don't know that.
Oh.
No, just go get in the stinking car.
You can see yours.
Blow it up towards the light.
Y'all, I ain't smoking. Don't smoke, kids.
Well, we're just about back to the highway, and we're just about back to the highway. Ultimately, well.
Is that recording?
Yes, it is.
Well, we've made it back to the highway, and
I wanted to talk about snow camping a little bit.
Oh.
What did you think about camping in the snow, Lucie?
You know, it was really cold and... Hold up, stop that. Take.
What is it?
Take.
Shiitake, not take. I'm gonna have to bleep that.
Oh, is it still recording? What? I can't stop it from recording, my gosh.